In this video I will show you how to create React app. So for that we need Node.js. So I have already downloaded and I have already created video on Node.js. If you want to watch that video, so I will give the link in description. So first I will check Node.js. So for that I open CMD. So here I will search CMD, enter. From here type node space -v, enter. So you can see version 20.14.0 is the latest version of Node.js, so it is installed. So I will close this and create folder. So here I will create a folder, so new folder, and the name will be my first project. I will open this folder and here in the path again search CMD, enter. So this folder will be open in command prompt. So I will give some command for create React app. So the first command is npx space create -react app, and after this I will give the folder name. So folder name will be my app and hit enter. It will create a lot of files, so it will take some time. So you can see creating a new React app in C. This is the folder path and installation packages start, so it will take some time. So now the files are installed. Now I will run this React app. So first I will give the command cd my app, enter. Now npm start, hit enter. Now the file is installed. Now I will go to folder and open in Visual Studio Code. So I will open this my app folder. So you can see the files are created. Now I will open Visual Studio Code, so VS Code, hit enter, and now open that folder. So folder, and here search my first project. So this is the folder, and I will open this as well and select folder. The file will be open in Visual Studio Code. So you can see the files are open in Visual Studio Code. Now I will open source folder. So you can see all files are created. Now I will open this app.js and I will run this on browser. Open terminal, so view terminal. Here I will search npm space start and hit enter. So you can see the project is running on localhost 3000. So I will maximize this. So the React app is running. Now I will change this text, this one. Go to Visual Studio Code and here I will create heading text. So for heading we use h1, enter. Here I will type hello world, Control S. Now let's see on browser. So you can see the hello world is printed here.